Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide, delete or edit meta tag for pages in Wix. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. On left side you see pages and menu. So click on it and then you see site pages and menu. So we are in site menu. Now you see about. So when we hover on it, then you see three dots. So click on it. Now you see settings, so click on it. So we are in page setting. Now you see SEO basic. So click on advanced SEO. So click on it. And then you see additional tags. So click on it. So we are in additional tags for this page setting about. And then you see meta tag. So now we are going to hide, delete or update meta tag. If you want, you can add new. Now you see add new tag. So this is the meta tag. Now you see three dots. So click on it. Now you see edit. So click on it, so you can edit and then click on apply. Now you see web tasks with Hassan. So we are going to add one and then click on apply. Now you see meta tag updated. If you want, you can click on edit. If you want, you can delete it. So click on it. Now you see delete. So meta tag deleted. If you want, you can hide meta tag. Now you see site name web task. So click on it. Now you see hide. If you want, you can hide meta tag. So it's up to you. So you can edit, update or hide meta tags for pages in Wix website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.